Hey, what's up guys, Sushal here. So today we're gonna unbox and review the Motorola Pulse 2 headphones. With that being said, let's get started. So yeah guys, here we have the box itself. On the front we have the Motorola Pulse 2 image with the Motorola branding on it, and on the side we get to see few specs and the price of the headphones. So here it has written 1599. So I bought this from Amazon for around 7 to 800 rupees. So I'll leave the links down below, and on the side we get to see few more specs of the headphones. So on the back side of the box we get to see the full image of the headphones and the specs of the headphones. Opening the box up, we get to see some paperwork and the headphones with the wire itself. So in the box we get to see the wire of the headphones, which is made up of good quality of plastic and which is quite long. So with the wire we get to see an inline microphone with a button to play pause music and to receive calls. So here we have the headphones itself. So the first impressions are these are super light. These are made up of good quality of plastic, which feels quite good. We can say it's an average looking headphones, not too bad, not too good looking headphones. So these headphones come with good quality of cushions, and the overall look of the headphones is quite good. It has cushions even on the top, and at the front we get to see the Motorola logo itself. So it overall feels good. It is foldable, which is easy to carry and which is super portable. So the headphones come with gold plated audio jack, so the input sound of the headphones will be quite clear and good. So we get to see a good quality of wire, which is 1.5 meter long. So wearing the headphones on, it feels quite comfortable. They are super duper light, but it feels very awkward to wear this on because of the side bands of the headphones are too widened. So the sound quality is quite good. It has good quality of bass, and it has good quality of crisp and clear sound. Overall the headphone looks and feels quite good, but the only thing I hate about these headphones are the widened headband. They look super duper awkward. Anyways, I'll leave the links down below in the description, so do check it out. Make sure to follow me on Instagram, where I'm always active, and for some cool photos.